Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to go reselling with a friend. I'm going to take a friend on a hotshot thrifting in Austin, Texas. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of Micro White Space Pod. Today we're going to be hustling with one of my friends. Almost about to go pick him up, and it should be a lot of fun. Let's go to thrift stores and should be ready to go here in a second. All right, here's Trenton right there, and today we're gonna go hunting for some good stuff. You might have seen Trenton in a previous video. We gotta go Central Austin, and Austin traffic, how is it?
It's ridiculous.
Totally is. Lake Austin Goodwill. It's the first Goodwill of the day. We're chilling here. What? Parking spot.
Parking spot is not for the liquor store.
Oh yeah, wow. It's for a compact car.
Yeah.
That's me.
That's what you got.
Yeah, so we're gonna go look around for some deals today, some steals and deals. Make sure you check the wheels. You guys watch my videos.
Why do I need a cart?
Check out the wheels. Are the wheels pretty hairy or not? What do you think, Trenton? Like, go down to the wheels, take a look at them.
There's some hair in there.
Women's cool shorts. They don't do as good as men's, so I'm gonna pass on these. Weird shoes. Jerseys. Sometimes jerseys can do real well. This is a Capo jersey. Capo's a really strong brand. It's kind of a, well, it could be a good jersey. Not 100% sure yet. I like getting the black ones. Not so much these crazy colors. Another Rolling Stone. Okay, maybe I'll get two of them. We'll see. You have to think about it from a buyer's perspective. Like, what's neat to where a buyer would be like, oh yeah, that's one of a kind, I want that, you know? It's so sick. Yeah, I'm gonna test it when I get home.
What's in there?
That's a CD.
I know, what is it?
A Neil Diamond.
Oh,
it's even better.
Snap.
Yeah. It can also go in my booth if I don't want to sell it on eBay. If I can keep it in my booth while it's on eBay. Okay, just stumbled upon these Hokas. It's a pretty okay condition. A little bit of wear on the outside right there. 20 bucks. What are these, Cliftons? What are these things? It's a Vanquish 2. I'll look it up. Why not? Okay, we didn't find anything there. I mean, I was gonna buy that Jeep radio thing, but I did a classic hustler mistake. And you know, even as an expert hustler, I still make mistakes every now and then. One of those mistakes was I just got so wrapped up in the product, I just didn't like really scan it very effectively. When I got up to the cash register, the guy flipped it over, and the battery door wasn't there for the batteries. And at that point, I don't like dealing with project kind of stuff. I like dealing with certainty when it comes to profit. So I didn't pull the trigger on it. I mean, it was pretty clear, right? Okay, we're in a 7-Eleven right now. We're gonna get a quick drink, then we're gonna go to the next thrift store. Gatorade with some electrolytes in there. A protein crisp. Ooh, you going crispy?
I'm going crispy. It's only got 2 grams of sugar in it.
Oh, that's good. He's smart. Look at the sugar. Very smart. Very smart. Trent, are you sure you don't want one of these? Trent, you want one of these? Look at that. They're only $1.99, guys. Oh crap, you can mix and match too. What? All right, enough of those nasty snacks. We're here at the Goodwill. No lie, Trenton wanted to eat all those things. Stove there. Look at that thing, adjustable thing. Pretty awesome. Look what we got here. Anything good? Oh, we got a Vuori swimsuit. This is actually a really good brand.
Here you go.
Oh, what size is that? I don't even know what size that is. Oh well, whatever. Okay, we'll see. Look for some bags. The bucks here. Oh, I got some 6-pack fitness case right there. That's pretty interesting. Put your little meals in there. Oh, yeah, I'm all organized every 3 hours, man. Bags to bucks. Some kind of fake bags to bucks made to look like expensive bags to bucks. You know what these are? Yeah. I'm just kidding. Alright, so some of the items I'm considering about buying, maybe this Motley Crue Greatest Hits video. This kind of crazy thing, which I think, I don't know if it's bootleg or it says 1982 Misfits, either songs or videos. It's got an old price tag of 18 bucks, and it says Danzig Years Volume 2. So I don't know if this is worth anything yet, but I'm going to be looking that up. Might get into this DVD because I've always wanted to see this movie again. Find anything yet, Trenton? Not yet? Are you going to get those things?
They're a set, so it's $3 for all 3 of them.
True Flyknit Racers. Might get those. I'm going to check the price of that Patagonia bag in there. This is what I got so far that I'll pull the trigger on.
And what is this?
It's a speaker selector.
Okay.
There's the Goodwill. Here we are. Trenton's having a taco. I bought some Scarpa shoes. These are 13 bucks. They should resell for around 80 to maybe 90. Such a strong size. Barely used. Great condition. Might go my first auction in forever on something like this. This is some weird DVD that might be worth some big coin. Not 100% sure yet. You guys comment down below. What do you think this is worth? And look at this thing. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Then I also got this Xantec 6-speaker selector or something like that. It's a 2x6. I think it's 6 channels. Yeah, something like that. So I can switch between 6 different sets of speakers. Very proprietary back looking thing to it. I have no way of testing it. It'll be untested. I'm hoping for about 100 on that. About to be at another round of thrift stores. So one of the things I was teaching Trenton, and one of the things I was teaching Trenton in the Goodwill was like about eBay and how you have to like constantly in the beginning stages do a lot of like getting used to searching and researching things. He did pull the trigger on a couple things at that last thrift store. $4. You got a Clabber Girl baking powder bank plus 2 other cans right there, but those are more like reissues.
But they were free.
They're nice. Yeah.
Paid $4.99 for that one can. I got
pretty
these
good.
for free.
Yeah.
The labeling's good.
So those can go in my booth for pretty good money. I'll probably cut them in for half on those. Pretty nice. But basically what I was saying is like, you know, you have to get accustomed to looking at eBay, the sold listings, used items, and look at the market. You have to do that 500 times before you get any sort of proficiency as a beginner and get used to doing that. That way you can kind of, you know, tell yourself, is my money gonna be well used in this one product, for example? All right, we're gonna do this Savers right here. Could be an old Circuit City. I'm not 100% sure. So we're chilling, we're here. We got a cart. We're looking for stuff. It's called Savers. You never been here?
No.
Do you like it?
What? I mean, yeah. We'll see.
Oh my God. Jeez. Gravel, this is pretty cool. Could be worth some coin maybe. All right, so there's pretty much a little ding right here, so it's not destined for FBA. I don't believe. I mean, maybe. I doubt it. I really don't want to send this into FBA, but this $3 fine sell for about $35 on eBay. It's one of the few instances where I'll bend my little rules and get into this because it would sell pretty fast. On FBA, it's around 70 bucks, something like that. Also got into this Joe Rocket perforated summer jacket for $25. It's probably worth, right now in town, about 70. It's perfect because you get that protection when you're riding your motorcycle, but it's summertime, so you want that perforation. And so that's what that jacket does. We're abandoning the space pod to a Goodwill. We're going to a Goodwill. And we'll see if we can find anything here. It's a really big Goodwill. Man, look how organized this is. What? The shelves are just barfing out stuff. In the shoe section, looking for that shoes to box, not finding it. Might have to get out of here pretty soon. Oh yeah, I have to look these up. These are some lifting shoes, so maybe I'll get some Nordic lifting shoes. 10 bucks. I might get into them. I have to look them up real quick, but they do have a little bit of like wear here. But who knows? We'll see. Could be worth it. Not 100% sure. We'll see. Okay, didn't find anything in there, but that pretty much concludes the thrift day. I want to make a short video. We looked hard, couldn't find much, but I'm still pretty happy with how the day turned out. So if you did like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.